Hold on. And
is the mic on?
Yeah, everything's good.
Okay, so we're going right now.
Yeah.
Right now it is recording. All right. So hello and welcome. This is Super Bathing Attitude, and it's the last day of our summer, and everyone always, including us, ends up sitting around doing shit on the last day of summer, and then feeling really unfulfilled. So instead of doing that, we bought a microwave.
This is our microwave. It's the VHX 3000. It fires at 1,000 volts per minute. A Spectrum. It's got a light fixture up front. It's got buttons. It's a microwave.
For $5 at a yard sale. It's over yonder, but we're using James's new gnarly fisheye, so you probably can't see it that well. So we're gonna blow up a bunch of shit in the microwave, and it's gonna be a grand old time for the last day of summer.
Mask on. Marshmallow. I can't do that. And then I did almost. Are you recording? I hate it when people say that when I'm recording. I'm just uncomfortable.
So James, are you super excited to get going?
Totally.
If Wes would maybe get over here someday. Austin's off to pick him up now. Put the thing in, it's gonna be light bulb. Light bulb number 1. First thing is light bulb.
Work.
What are you doing? Everybody goggles on, safety first. If you don't have goggles, then I guess you'll just get hurt. Sweet, it does turn on.
Whoa.
Check it out. Check it out. That's so cool. Oh my god. Welding goggles.
Whoa.
Dude, that's so cool.
Like a
Why did you do that? Oh, it's gonna pop.
I like all the different colors. It's like a rainbow.
Yeah, you were right. 3 minutes is way longer than we did.
Yeah.
Learning yourself DVD
201.
DIY sexy dances.
Here we go. Highlighters. They're rolling.
They're spinning.
I've heard tell that they blow up.
They get all, yeah.
Hey, do they blow up and like ink the inside of it?
No, they
No,
like
but apparently this.
Holy! Whoa!
There we go.
Whoa!
Cool. It's like a fucking gremlin.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing.
Yeah,
Oh, I smell that dog! Oh my god!
we need a flashlight.
Here we go. Flashlight. A little bit. That's an iPod flashlight.
Wait, is yours on full brightness though?
Look, it's got. Okay, so it's
Is it
got
on
like
full
hair in
brightness?
it. Yeah, it is on full. Plastered all over it.
Oh my god!
Holy crap.
That's how they make Easter grass!
You haven't done night vision. How long? 5:25.
Oh, you took the cap off?
Yeah, so it can fit.
Okay, so. Setting the shaving cream longer because it didn't do anything. Book.
Yeah, we need bright light thing.
Or as much bright.
Wait, what happened to the rest of it? There was like a big blob that fell on the.
It probably like.
Oh my god, look at the roof. Oh!
Like,
in the
seriously,
trash
trash bag. Holy shit.
How hot is that, do you think?
Throw that shit away. I could feel the heat.
It's totally fucking
This is 5 bars of soap. Go and run.
Why is it the grossest thing ever, though?
What about
What?
a can of
It's
soda?
666.
That'd be fucking
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm assuming the thing got clogged.
Yeah, it looks like they've all blown up to death. Put it in for 666,
It's like
and then it
cotton
only just
candy.
started blowing up.
Whoa, it's all.
Yeah, it's all mushy.
It's smoking.
I wouldn't touch it.
That's steam, dude.
Yeah, dude, just put that in the trash. Put it in the science bag.
That's nasty.
And I'm like,
No.
who the hell is going
No.
to I also put the
I
highlighter in the
told
toilet paper.
everyone if I read I sat
Wait,
there and I'm
I just think
oh my
up,
God.
up. Smoke it. Oh!
Hey!
We got it!
Let it go.
And at the same time, people pulled up.
No.
No, that's the auto light.
Yeah, that's the light.
Yo!
Wait, it's hold on a sec. Is it spinning?
Kind of. Austin, I think, with the carousel on crooked.
Yeah, I don't think it's not spinning. It can't be spinning.
Oh wait, it's like smoldering. Oh, the timer went out. Timer went out. Quick.
No, I think the microwave broke.
Oh, we burned out the microwave.
Oh wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! We like overloaded the microwave to the point of burning the carrot.
That's because the lens cap's on. Derp a derp.
Hold on, I got another light. Look at this.
Awesome. Awesome. Show the camera. Show the camera the plate. Show the camera the plate. Like, give it a full view.
Oh my god. I can't see it though.
We snapped the plate.
Guys, that plate just got shattered.
Oh, it snapped it into 3 parts.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? We could stamp it out and then.
Moon.
Oh. No, it's not. No, get that thing away. Stamp it out and then. No stress.
Lay that until it's like.